Number 1. 1979 Ford F-100, 5000 Dixon, Tennessee. This 1969 Ford F-100 is a classic example of late 60s American workhorse design, finished in a bold red inside and out. With 79,000 miles and a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission, it retains much of its original charm. While no mechanical details are disclosed, the fact that it's paid off and seemingly intact makes it a promising candidate for restoration or light driving use. A solid price for a vintage pickup with great potential. Number 2. 1962 GMC truck, $1,800, Durham, North Carolina. Offered at a very affordable $1,800, this green 1962 GMC truck is a non-running project vehicle that will need to be towed. Its automatic transmission is notable for the era, but with a claimed mileage of nearly 1 million, likely just a placeholder, its mechanical state is unknown. This truck is ideal for seasoned restorers looking for a blank slate at a budget price. Number 3. 1962 Ford F-100, $2,700, Ridge, Maryland. This off-white 1962 Ford F-100 XL pickup is equipped with a 223 cubic inch inline 6 and a 3-speed column shift. Despite its 94,000-mile reading, the engine has serious issues, no compression on one cylinder and low on another, and the brakes are non-functional. While it runs briefly when primed, this is a true project vehicle. However, it comes with a title and has good bones for those committed to a full build. Number 4. 1967 Ford F-600, $8,000, Ackworth, Georgia. With only 15,784 original miles, this 1967 Ford F-600 is a rare survivor in near original condition. Powered by a 330 industrial engine paired with a 4-speed and a high-low rear end, it was originally a fire department vehicle and has a 12-foot flatbed. This medium-duty truck is a time capsule and would be perfect for collectors interested in vintage municipal or commercial vehicles. Number 5. 1979 Chevrolet 1-ton dump, $2,800, Tiro, Ohio. A hard-working 1979 Chevrolet dump truck with a 350 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. The dump bed functions as it should, and it rides on newer tires. While mileage is unknown and cosmetics aren't mentioned, at $2,800, it's a practical buy for someone who wants vintage utility with real work capability. Number 6. 1974 Ford Explorer Utility, $6,000, Sumter, South Carolina. This orange 1974 Ford Explorer Utility has just 21,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. Though it runs well, the seller notes extensive rust, indicating this is a project vehicle. The vibrant paint and relatively low mileage make it a visually compelling option, but bodywork is likely a must. Number 7. 1975 Ford Ranger F100 LWEB, $4,200, Fairview, Tennessee. This long-wheelbase 1975 Ford F100 Ranger Explorer is a clean daily driver candidate with a 302 V8 and automatic transmission. It runs and drives, showing approximately 100,000 miles. The two-tone off-white and red interior give it period charm. A solid deal for a mid-70s truck with usable patina and mechanical reliability. Number 8. 1989 Dodge D250, $7,000, Dola, Ohio. This heavy-duty Dodge D250 is a diesel enthusiast's dream. It has a modified 1996 P-pump Cummins engine, upgraded with a rebuilt 215 injection pump and S361 turbo. The 5-speed manual transmission, ceramic clutch, and two-wheel drive layout make it ideal for towing or hot rodding. At 180,000 miles, it's seasoned but mechanically enhanced, offering a strong platform for performance or utility. Number 9. 1988 Ford F-150 Lariat, $5,800, Nebo, North Carolina. This 1988 Ford F-150 Lariat is a clean 4x4 powered by a 302 V8 with a 4-speed manual gearbox. With 105,755 miles and a new clutch assembly installed, it's a reliable classic that's ready for both work and weekend cruising. Everything works except the radio. Well cared for and priced competitively, this is a solid buy for a classic pickup lover. Number 10. 1989 Ford Ranger, $4,999, Princeton, West Virginia. A 1989 Ford Ranger 4x4 with a 2.9-liter V6 and 5-speed manual. With 174,000 miles, it's a well-used but dependable small truck. Comes with a clean title and working CD stereo. Its clean condition and reliable drivetrain make it an excellent entry-level classic pickup, especially for those who prefer compact models. Number 11, 1966 Ford Flatbed, $500, Windsor, Missouri. At just $500, this red 1966 Ford Flatbed is a true ran-when-parked project, sitting untouched for 7 to 8 years. It includes a hoist and shows extreme mileage, likely a placeholder. With no title and unknown condition, it is a gamble, but the price makes it an intriguing parts donor or ambitious restoration candidate for experienced builders. Number 12. 1987 Ford F-150 XL STX, $4,500, Montgomery, Alabama. This black 1987 Ford F-150 XL STX has only 20,000 miles, which is remarkably low if accurate. Equipped with a manual transmission and red interior, it's described as running and driving well with only minor issues like a broken taillight and non-functioning radio. This short bed truck is a rare survivor and an attractive option at this price. Number 13. 1978 Ford F-150 Long Bed, $10,900, Apollo, Pennsylvania. An exceptionally clean 1978 Ford F-150 with a 302 V8 and automatic transmission. The body and paint are mostly original and in excellent condition, with minimal interior wear. At just over 41,000 miles, it's one of the most preserved examples currently available. The seller includes extra trim pieces, and its Western origins suggest limited rust. While on the higher end of the price scale, its condition justifies the value. Apakah Anda ingin saya lanjutkan dengan membuat deskripsi video YouTube untuk daftar ini?